In Mexico's Riviera Maya, you can find a beautiful and charming beachside town called Puerto Morelos. It's a place that feels welcoming, friendly, and the people make you feel right at home. While it's only 30 minutes away from Cancun and Playa del Carmen, not that many people know about it. That may be why it still has a special charm to it, and even feels a lot less touristy than more well-known places in this part of Mexico. In this video, I'll share with you the beauty of Puerto Morelos and the fun things to do and see there. The beaches in Puerto Morelos are beautiful. Often there is crystal clear water, great for swimming or snorkeling. Or you could just lounge on the beach all day until the sun goes down. You can also get drinks and food at one of the many beachside restaurants. Puerto Morelos is great for snorkeling. There is a reef right offshore. Puerto Morelos has possibly the best snorkeling and diving in the Riviera Maya. The reef is a part of the Mesoamerican Reef, the second largest barrier reef in the world. On a snorkel tour, you'll enjoy a 10-minute boat ride out to the National Marine Reserve where you can snorkel along the reef. While snorkeling, expect to be mesmerized by the underwater world unfolding before your eyes, including large varieties of coral and marine life. Besides snorkeling, if you do any one tour, you have to visit a cenote. Puerto Morelos has some cenotes nearby, or tours can take you to one of the many cenotes in the Riviera Maya. I did a full video about my visit to cenotes to learn more, so check that out. The link to that video is in the description below. Swimming in a cenote can feel like a magical and surreal experience that you will never forget. On days when you're not in the water, it's a great place to go for a walk and discover your own favorites about town. To start off, many choose to start at the Malecón and go for a walk along the pier where you might look down into the water and see beautiful tropical fish or even stingrays. Then you'll also see the crooked lighthouse beside the pier that was once made crooked by a previous hurricane. A few other ways that I would describe the town is cheerful, vibrant, and bright. There are lots of beautiful colors painted on the walls and buildings, in addition to some amazing mural art throughout the town. A short walk from the Malecón is my favorite place for cocktails, and that is Socio Nice. They make my favorite cocktail with their homemade horchata recipe, and it is delicious. Shopping here is also really good. You can find very nice things made here in Mexico, and you'll find some good deals, I think a lot better than some of the deals you're going to find in Playa del Carmen or Tulum, which I think feel a lot more touristy. So if you're going to be in the Riviera Maya, take a trip to Puerto Morelos and save some of your money for this town. They have lots of shops to choose from. My favorite place to shop in town is a place called TUNICH. You can easily find this place on Google Maps, and I'll put a link below if you want to try to check this place out when you're in town. You can also come to the outdoor market on Friday nights, right next to the beach in Puerto Morelos. You'll see lots of vendors here showcasing their items. With all the many things there is to enjoy in Puerto Morelos, it is impossible to mention them all in this one video. So on my blog, littlebirdietravel.com, I have some travel resources for you for visiting places like Puerto Morelos, other places in Mexico, even other destinations like Hawaii and Europe. So check that out at littlebirdietravel.com, and the link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video today, you'll find lots more like this one on the YouTube channel, so take some time and check out those next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video adventure.